Hey, my friend, this video is how to build your online business from scratch, the roadmap. In this video, I'm going to break down and tell you exactly what online business consists of and how to do it effectively. Stay tuned. My name is Eric with ReviewTheInside.com, and I give tips and techniques on how to make money online and also do reviews for entrepreneurs to be more successful. So don't forget to hit the red button, subscribe, and also hit the bell notification. That way you do not miss another video. My name is Eric again with ReviewTheInside.com, and I've been doing online advertising since the early 2000s. And let me tell you, it was one of the best choices that I've ever done in my life. Reason being is because I make money while I sleep, while I travel, while I do all the things that I love to do and just enjoying life to the fullest. And as you can see here, I'm in the Grand Canyon just having a good time. And while I'm here in the Grand Canyon, I'm still making money doing the things that I love and exploring what this world has to offer. So if you think that affiliate marketing or just having an online business is a scam or anything like that, I'm going to show you a few examples that you may not know it's affiliate marketing, but it is, and I'm pretty sure you've used some of these services. So it's something that is real, scalable, and are making people millions to maybe even billions of dollars each and every year. So let's get into the video. So what I wanted to show you is the blueprint of how to make an online business and to show you that it actually works. Reason being is because sometimes when I make these videos and I do my advertisement campaigns, I get some people that say, it's a scam, it's a scam, it's a scam. But in all reality, you could say it's a scam if you want to, but I'm going to prove to you that affiliate marketing and online businesses do actually work and actually can make a lot of money and give you the freedom and fulfillment that you are looking for, so that way you can enjoy life with the loved ones in your life. All right. So just to let you know, I'm just starting out with this YouTube channel. I only have 143 subscribers. And I have about 1,000 people on my Facebook group, and on Instagram I have a little bit less than 400, and etc. So I have my social media platforms that I'm growing and my YouTube channel that I'm growing, and I have about 10,000 or so people in my email list that I could send them emails and tell them what I'm doing, what I'm promoting, if I come out with value videos like what I'm doing now, and teaching people and helping them change their lives to enjoy life to the fullest. So it's a continuous flow of value and also interaction with my friends / followers. And that way I keep them close and I take care of them by teaching them things for free. So then when I do have a product or a promotion that I want to do, that they in turn, since they know me, they like me, and they trust me, they would go off of my recommendation and they purchase, and therefore I make a affiliate commission. And that's what I do full time, and that's how I make a living. Now, again, just to go back, people out there are saying that this is a scam and that it cannot work. Okay, that is fine. Whatever. I mean, there's 101 reasons why they may think that. Now, being an online business owner or just doing affiliate marketing, it takes some time, especially in the beginning, especially if you don't have money to invest and grow very quickly with paid advertisements. So if you're doing it the free way, it takes time. You have to grind and have a presence out on the web, because if nobody knows you, nobody sees you, then you're out of mind, no traffic, no commissions, right? So the more content you're out there, the more likely you are going to be seen and get traffic and make money. So that's all it is that you have to send out content and have a web presence. The more presence you have, the more following, the bigger you are, the more traffic and more money that you're going to make. Simple as that when I break it down, correct? So for those out there that don't think that it works, and that I want to prove to you that affiliate marketing is huge and it's highly scalable to make millions, even billions of dollars a year, I want to show you, check this out. You ever been on Hotels.com? Hotels.com is pretty much the largest hotel company in the world, and it's affiliate marketing. Reason why is because Hotels.com does not own any of the hotels that they promote. They simply just connect the people to the product, which the product is the hotel. Now, by them doing that, and they, the person stays at the hotel, that hotel company is going to pay them an affiliate commission. So it's kind of a thank you for sending that person to the hotel and staying there, because they're making money. So since they're making money, they give you a commission as a thank you, right? Super simple. Another one, you got Uber.com, or just Uber itself. They don't own any of the cars that are out there Ubering and taking people from here to there, right? They make the company, they get the traffic, which are the people that are using Uber app, and then they use the actual service, and then the Uber driver, which is, they don't belong to Uber, takes them to wherever they gotta go, which is, that's giving them the service. And then for them doing it, Uber's paying the driver a commission fee, right? And then also Uber's making the market, the money, right? What's another one? Look at Airbnb. Airbnb is connecting people to the actual product. People are looking for homes, vacation homes, whatever they want, and they don't own any of the homes that are offered on Airbnb. It's affiliate. Affiliate is connecting people to the product. Another one, Expedia.com. It is huge. Look, they offer flights, hotels, bundled and save, which is both of them together, car rentals, cruises, things to do like concerts and so forth, vacation rentals. Again, all they're doing is just affiliate marketing the products that you will find here. So they're affiliates of, let's say, American Airlines, Virgin, JetBlue, etc., of all the airlines, the hotels, the Marriott, the Hilton, Holiday Inn, Motel 6, the Westin. They're affiliates from those companies. So they just get people to their website, show them what they are looking for and what they want, and then they connect them with the actual programs or the actual companies. And then the companies, like the hotels, give them an affiliate cut. That's how they make money. It's a commission, right? And it's highly scalable because the internet has made it so easy to put your advertisements or your product or whatever you're promoting in front of millions upon millions of people at one time. Of course, if you have the money, if you're doing paid advertisement, right? But that is the trick as far as if you want the free way and the long lasting way, is that you want to build a email list, a following, right? Expedia is so well known. You probably check your emails and you do a search on Expedia, or you do it on an airline or a hotel. I'm pretty sure there's a 90% chance that you're on their email list and you're getting continuous promotions off of them, right? Someone's getting that affiliate marketing or that affiliate commission because they're sending you to the actual company's page so you could buy, and someone's making a commission, an affiliate commission at that, right? So this is like directly to the actual program, to the actual company, if you will, for the flights, say for the airlines, directly with them, directly with the hotels, the car rentals, the cruises. Now here's another one that is about one level further. Kayak is affiliates with hotels.com, with Airbnb and Expedia and much more. They're affiliates with them. So you come to Kayak and then you put in what, let's say flights, hotels, or cars or cruises. They're going to show you the second affiliate company, which will be Expedia Hotels, and then they connect you to the actual company like American Airlines, Virgin, or Holiday Inn, or Marriott, or Hilton. So it's like 2 levels down. So you have the company, then you have, let's say, Expedia. The company pays Expedia, and Expedia will pay Kayak. So they're all making a commission there. And as you can see, these are huge companies that are pretty much the masters of affiliate marketing. So I just wanted to show you the power and show you that this really works, and that this day and age with the internet, it is super simple to make a lot of money if you position yourself in front of the right people. So you just have to build your system, your flow of business, if you will, and just put it in front of people. That way you could make money over and over and over. Right? It's easy to build your online business from scratch. So that's why I wanted to show you pretty much the roadmap, the overview of online businesses and affiliate marketing especially. And this is what I do. I do affiliate marketing. I do it on a smaller scale because I don't have millions of dollars to do commercials and so forth like hotels.com. But I could be under the radar and still make $300, $400, $500 a day, even $1,000 a day, and just not worry about employees, customer service, and all that. I just go and I do digital products to help people make money online, right? I just get products that other people spend money and time building, right? And then I just connect the people that are looking for that product or something similar, and I connect it with the product owner. And then when they buy, the product owner gives me an affiliate commission. And that's how I make money, right? That's my system. And it's super simple to start, right? Now, with my channel, I try to break everything down and try to explain as best as I can as far as how you could get started, even if you're a beginner with no experience. So that's why I recommend for you guys to subscribe. That way you could see the tips and techniques that I use and that I could help you make more money online or even just get started from the beginning. So I advise you that if you have any questions or if you're stuck somewhere or you just don't know about something, feel free, put it in the comments below and I will try to explain as best as I can as far as answering your questions and help you out, right? So with my online business, again, I just get digital products that help people to make money online. And then as soon as I find that product, what I want to promote, I have a service, an email service like Aweber and GetResponse. And I make a few emails and I schedule them to go out to kind of promote the product of what I'm, want to offer. And then I go on about my life. I enjoy my life. I go to travel. As you saw, I was in the Grand Canyon. I was still making money. I go out on vacations. I go to dinners. I spend time with my family. I spend time with my nephews and nieces, and I just have a great time. I enjoy my life, and I'm still getting paid with a few hours of work. But in the beginning, make sure you have the mindset that you have to work, make that presence online. That way you get more chances for people to know who you are, and they know you and they trust you. And that way when you promote something, they're going to follow you and they're going to go with your recommendation and purchase. And that way you get an affiliate commission and you start making money, even if you're sleeping or vacationing or whatever makes you happy, right? So my business is to find a digital product, promote it, which is through my following, through my social media, through my YouTube, and through my emails. And then I send them over to, let's say, one of my bonus pages. So I like to do bonus pages because it's a more incentive for them to buy through my link because there's a lot of competition, right? With this competition, there's going to be multiple affiliates, even super affiliates, which means that they have, hundreds of thousands of people on their email list or social media, etc., how they promote it. But not always, let's say, they promote it or they explain it the right way. So these people, they go, for instance, on YouTube or they go online, Google or wherever, and they search for more information, let's say like a review or whatnot. And that's what I tend to do. I do review videos on the actual product. I go and I show them the back office and show them exactly what they're going to see and what they're going to get once they purchase the product. And then I offer them bonuses as a thank you from getting the actual product through my link, right? I give them a few bonuses, as you can see here, and I help them and I try to make these bonuses that are related to the actual product. So it goes hand in hand to make sure that they have the most success with the product once they purchase it, right? And people, they love that. They love that. They like to see that. They like that they're not alone, because a lot of times when you purchase something and you're just kind of stuck there, especially if you're a beginner, you're like, what the heck is that? What does that mean? Where do I go? And then sometimes you send them a support email and you don't get a response and you're just like, this sucks. And you just kind of throw it away or you just forget about it and you have no success. So I try to hold their hand and be as successful, try to make them as successful as possible. And I try to help them as much as possible. And that's how I build my rapport and my value, and a lot of people, they like that. And they come and they click on the link and then they go to the sales page and they purchase the product from me because they know they're not alone and I'm helping them. So that's my system. That's how I do. And that's how I make money over and over and over with a few hours of work. That is the beauty. So if you're thinking about it, think about this, exactly what I'm saying, that it's so scalable right now. And with the age of the internet, it makes it so simple to make an online business. So if you have any questions, feel free, connect with me, put in the comments, or you come over to my Facebook page. We could chat through Messenger, go to Instagram. I'll put all the links in the description. So check it out. Again, don't forget or consider subscribing. That way you don't miss another video. Again, my name is Eric with reviewtheinside.com, and I'll talk to you soon.